stop and look around. Everything is perfect now. And last night our hearts were dropped, our time has arrived. Last night our hearts were dropped, our time has arrived.
What's up, guys? Got some really cool stuff to show you guys today. Let's go ahead and turn this down a little bit. I can turn it down there on the stream. A little loud in my ears, but that's all right. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. So, in case you guys haven't heard of ChatGPT, ChatGPT is an amazing tool. I'm actually going to just pause it because I can't think and talk. I can't listen to music, think, and talk at the same time. Just not me. So, as I was saying, I have a lot of background noise. Kids are home, holidays, things like that. So I apologize. Give me 1 second. All right. Joys of being home. Fun stuff. Anyways, so if you guys haven't heard about ChatGPT, it is an amazing AI platform. And there's a lot of people kind of in the marketing world talking about it, but there's not a whole lot of people talking about it in like the streamer space or the content creation space. And I don't think people know how to use it properly, or they don't know how to get more out of it. And I think the problem is people don't know how to ask the right questions. So the way I think about it is I look at ChatGPT like this. It's a replacement for 100 dumb people, not a replacement for one really smart person, right? So you want it to do like kind of large scale tasks. And then from those large scale tasks, you narrow it down kind of like a funnel. And it makes it way easier to use, and it makes it way more fun to use, actually. So basically the quality of the content that you put into ChatGPT is the quality of content you're gonna get out. So as you can see, I'm logged into ChatGPT right here. And if we type, write me a stream title for my Twitch stream. Very generic, right? Very generic. And it's really good in the sense that it does put a lot of context behind it. Like we're getting, I'm actually getting a lot more than I thought I would get out of this. Just putting in that, write me a stream title for my Twitch, for my Twitch, exploring the unknown, the journey through the cosmos with whatever your name is. The stream title conveys a sense of adventure, discovering, while also highlighting the focus of your stream being centered around exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. You can customize the title by replacing your name with your Twitch username or screen name. Alternatively, here's a few more ideas. So it does give you a couple more ideas. We did not give it any context, so it's making an assumption that we're going off into like the stratosphere here. Now, as many of our viewers know and our listeners know on the podcast, Wally and myself were big PUBG streamers. So what I would do to make this a little bit more appealing to me is I would write this. I would write, provide me 5 optimized Twitch stream titles for my PUBG stream. Tell me why each one is good. Tell me which one you would pick and why. So again, we're going a little more broad. So we're saying provide me 5 options, and then explain why you chose these options, and then tell me which one you would pick and why you would pick that one. So let it finish compiling its data here. So it looks like it chose number 2, survival of the fittest with blank PUBG edition. The title plays on the survival of the fittest concept, and it ties to PUBG, highlighting the competitive and intense nature of the game, while also tying to well-known phrase that resonates with many viewers. So that's really cool. So it gives you a lot of options, and I think that's really cool. And it's all about the context that you give the platform to choose from. For instance, if you are a blogger and you're having writer's block, you need fresh ideas. Okay, give me 5 SEO optimized blog ideas for my gaming, streaming, and technology focused blog. Tell me the estimated search volume for each title. Tell me why each title would be a good topic to write about. Give me 3 focus keywords on each title. And finally, tell me which title you would write a blog. So you see the level of detail that I'm putting in here. I'm saying give me 5 SEO optimized. So in case you don't know, SEO is search engine optimized. Search engine optimization. So SEO optimized blog ideas, because we want this to perform well in search. We don't write stuff just to write it. We want it to be something that's highly searchable, that people are actually looking for in the market, so that you have an opportunity for your blog to show up in search engine results when people are searching for content or searching for something that you might just so happen to be writing about. So we say those 5 SEO optimized blog ideas because now we can take these. Okay, now I have 5 different things that I can write about. I know that they're going to be SEO optimized. We're telling it the niche that we want the blog titles to be for, so gaming, streaming, and technology. We want to know the estimated search volume for each title, so we can prioritize. Okay, the one with the highest search volume, we obviously want to write a blog around, right? That way we have more opportunity to get that blog in front of more eyes. Then we say, tell me why each title would be a good topic to write about. So why are you choosing this topic is essentially why are you suggesting this topic? And then we want 3 focus keywords on each title. So when we're writing this blog, we have keywords that we can focus on as the content is being written out to, again, make the blog post more search engine friendly. And then finally, tell me why which title you would write a blog around and why. So now we're letting the AI decide, hey, which one would you, like if you were in my position, which one would you write about and why? So we're we've taken, like I said, you're thinking of replacing 10 or 100 dumb people versus one really smart person. So we're making it do the work of coming up with the titles, coming up with the estimated volume, the focus keywords, and then we're saying why would you do it, and then tell me your reasoning behind that. So we're asking a lot of it in a single statement, and this is what we get out of it. And it does take a few minutes for it to populate, but the content that you get out of this is invaluable at the end of the day. And this is just a small example. If you're a developer, you can use this to do some really really crazy stuff. Like, it is insane the type of stuff that you can do with this platform. Let's let it finish. Let's see which one. Top 5 streaming services for gamers. 1,000. So notice it didn't go with the one with the highest estimated search volume. It kind of went middle of the road, a little on the higher side, but um, as it covers a topic that is relevant to many people in the gaming and streaming community, and there's likely to be a high level of interest in this topic. Additionally, the focus keywords for this topic are clear and specific, which can help with search engine optimization. So there you go. Okay, so now you can take this. You have this bit of information. Okay, now we can take this. Let's copy this. Now let's tell ChatGPT, write me a blog post titled, pop that title in, using the following keywords throughout the content. Just copy those keywords. Services, gaming, top 5. Make the article fun but informational. Include stats and citations. So this makes it look more authentic, more real. Not that it doesn't look real to begin with, but we want to give it as much context as possible. So make the article fun and informational, include stats and citations, make the article no longer than 2,500 words. Bam. And now we just let it do its thing. And we can take this, and this is you can either take it as is, because it's not plagiarism. It's 100% genuine, original content. It's not your content, but you did ask the question. Now you're having, it's basically saying, like, you're a publisher and you're telling somebody to write something for you. It's the same concept. And as we let this go, like, just think about how crazy this is to completely change the dynamic of your content creation process. Like, this can level, like, you can now easily put out a blog a day, a blog every other day. You can have it do so much, help you out with your social media. After we get this blog done, wait till we see about, like, creating, like, a YouTube video script. And this is kind of where it really blew my mind, because I suck at thinking of all of the shots to do for a video. Like, if you go check out my YouTube channel, Dagan07 on YouTube, I suck at thinking of different shots or anything like that. My brain just doesn't work like that. I'm a web developer. I'm a really analytical thinker, not a big creative thinker. But peep this. So the top 5 streaming services for gamers. As a gamer, you know how important it is to have access to the best gaming content out there. But with many streaming services available, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 streaming services for gamers, complete with key features, pricing, and some of the best games you can find on each platform. And like the tone that we put in, we wanted it fun, but we wanted it to still be informational. So now they go Twitch as the OG of gaming streaming. I'd put game streaming. So again, you do want to kind of come in here, maybe clean some stuff up. Twitch is still the go-to platform for many gamers with millions of active users and thousands of streamers. You'll find a wide variety of content on this platform, including live streams, esports tournaments, and on-demand videos. Plus, with features like chat and the ability to subscribe to your favorite streamers, Twitch is a great way to connect with the gaming community. Prices vary based on the streamer, but many offer subscriptions for around $5 a month. Some popular games on Twitch include Fortnite, League of Legends, and Minecraft. Amazing. Didn't have to write that. Sounds good. Maybe a couple tweaks in there, but sounds really, really good. Then you have YouTube Gaming. As the world's largest video platform, it's no surprise that YouTube has also a strong presence in the gaming world. YouTube Gaming offers live streams, on-demand videos, and even a gaming hub for finding new content. Plus, with YouTube's vast user base and powerful algorithms, it's easy to discover new streamers and games you might not have found elsewhere. Prices vary based on the content creator, but many offer ad-supported content for free. Some popular games on YouTube Gaming include Fortnite, Call of Duty, and Roblox. Mixer, okay. So here's a caveat. For many of you guys that know Mixer is shut down, the algorithm, the AI algorithm on ChatGPT is updated as of like mid 2021. Although I think Mixer's been gone longer than that, but you know, again, this is where you want to read through and not look like a complete dummy when you're posting this stuff. So, you know, it talks about Mixer being a Microsoft-owned platform. Ultra low latency, things like that. Caffeine, I've never actually heard of Caffeine. It's a newer streaming platform that's gained a lot of attention thanks to its focus on social interaction with features like live chat and the ability to share and watch videos with friends in real time. Caffeine is a great option for those looking to connect with their audience. Then you have Steam. While Steam is primarily known for digital distribution, it also has a robust streaming feature that allows you to watch other users play games in real time. So not really a streaming platform, like really. It's not like a Twitch where you can go in and you can interact with the person. It's basically you watch them play the game, but you're just like a spectator, if that makes sense. Like, okay, John, okay, Dave, how's that different from what's already what Twitch is? Twitch, you can subscribe. Can't really subscribe to people on Steam. You're basically just watching the gameplay and deciding, is this something I want to get? Again, you can do that on Twitch, but it's not a social focused platform. It's not something that you can just subscribe to and get notifications when they go live and things like that. And then you have overall, each of these streaming services offers a unique experience for gamers with a wide variety of content and features to choose from. Whether you're looking for live streams, on-demand videos, or a more social streaming experience, there's a platform out there that can meet your needs. So it's really, really cool. Give me 1 second here. Whew. I do wet the old whistle. And then it was even smart enough to say statistics citations can be added to post as needed to provide additional context and credibility. However, due to the length restriction of 2,500 words, it may not be possible to include a significant amount of additional content in this post. So like it gives you like usable feedback that you can use, right? It's really cool. Now, let's say we wanted to create a YouTube video around this to support. So we grab our title here. Why don't we just copy this whole thing? Adjust it as needed, all right? Write me a U video script titled using the following keywords throughout the content stream. Make the, okay. Include suggested B-roll shots and recommendations the video fun. Well, that's arbitrary. Let's not do that. Recommendations on how to make the video more. Yeah, there we go. More engaging. There we go. So from here, we let it do its thing again. So, it gives you the intro. Now we talk about the different streaming services. And look, I didn't even say keep it fun, but professional, but it's still using the same terminologies, the OG of game streaming. It's basically still using the same, like, it's basically taking the same content that it wrote for the blog and turning it into a video script for you. And it tells you what to do. B-roll of Twitch streams, graphics showing popular games on the platform, B-roll of YouTube gaming streams, graphics showing okay. Pretty similar on the there you have it. Okay. And the problem with ChatGPT is it has a limited amount of output that it can put out. So used to be you could just hit enter and it would continue where it left off. Now they don't have that ability, unfortunately. So that's why when you saw me do the blog, why did I set the length restriction to 2,500 words? That's why, because it's usually like 26 or 2,700 words that 26 or 2,700 words that where it gets cut off. Like, so you want to keep it relatively short. Again, it's a platform to replace 100 dumb people instead of one really smart person. But you can get away with some really cool things. Okay, for instance, let's regenerate the response. What happens? We'll let it run through its thing. Like I said, it's super cool. This thing is way cool. And then if you want to really get into the weeds on this thing as a content creator, say you wanted to be able to use this for like as a chat bot. Wouldn't that be cool to use this thing as a chat bot for your live streams? Well, let's see what we got when this finishes up, because you got to wait for one process to finish. Start another. You can see the little like 3 dots over here moving. Okay, cool. Cool. So now, let's do this. What's the easiest way to integrate ChatGPT Twitch as a chat bot? You can ask it a question. Boom. That's one way, right? So it tells you, like, it gives you a step-by-step. Set up a Discord server and invite ChatGPT to it as a bot. Use Discord Twitch integration tools such as Nightbot or Muxy. Link your Discord server to your Twitch channel. Set up ChatGPT's permission and command prefix in Discord. Use a ChatGPT command prefix followed by a message to trigger the chatbot to respond in your Twitch chat. You can also do show me how to integrate ChatGPT with Twitch using JavaScript. and I might not be sitting in the right response. I know there's a JavaScript way of doing it. Yeah. And they've been cleaning up a lot of like it was like it's constantly being worked on. ChatGPT is constantly being worked on, and they're constantly fixing things. Like people were able to actually output viruses. So like show me how to show me how to create an app JavaScript app using Chat GPT. And then it's basically going to give you all the information that you need. It can even write code like this. Boom, like check this out. It's actually gonna write code. It's really cool. Like this is nuts to me, absolutely bonkers to me. Look at this. This is insane. And of course, they always have to put their disclaimer in there. Like the disclaimer is always important. But I hope this kind of gives you an idea of how you can use ChatGPT to increase your content production. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Like, look, write me 5 Twitter. Let's say, write me 5 optimized Twitter posts about ChatGPT and how it can benefit streamers and content creators. Include 3 hashtags and tell me which post you would use. Why? And now we'll let it go do its thing. Again, it takes it a couple seconds. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, guys. It's insane how good this is. Like ridiculously insane how good this is. And there's a lot of marketers that are starting to use this, come up with marketing ideas and things that help you think outside of the box. Personally, I would choose the first tweet as it presents ChatGPT as a solution for streamers and content creators looking for a chatbot that can keep up with their audience, and it includes relevant hashtags that can help. So basically saying this one. So are you a streamer, content creator looking for a chatbot that can keep up with your audience? Blah, blah, blah. Is a powerful tool that uses machine learning to generate responses in real time. As you can see, it is real time. We're doing this. Is this for streamers in the sense of writing really good like social media posts? I think it's fantastic. Writing really good stream titles, I think it's fantastic. Writing good stream descriptions, like if you're streaming on YouTube, like we are right now, we're streaming on both Twitch and YouTube. But if you actually look at the YouTube description on this, that was all ChatGPT. The title is ChatGPT. It is amazing. And what we're doing is we're actually testing this for search engine optimization as well. So the thing that we're going to be looking at with this video and some of the blogs that we've been putting out is it really putting out SEO optimized content? Is it shareable content? Get ideas for TikTok videos. Hey, give me 5 ideas for a TikTok video around this, and this. Bam. Like as a content creator, this tool can really change the way you do content creation. Now, when you got like writer's block or creativity block, you just pop on here and say, hey, Give me a list of ideas to do. Okay, I like that one. I like that one. Which one would you do? Okay, it's saying that one. Why would you do that one? Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So it's really amazing the quality of output that you can get from this. Again, I wish that the data modeling was more real time for current events or current what's the word I'm looking for? Uh, Current trends, um, things like that. I think that would that would send it way over the top. I mean, let's be honest. That would send it to the stratosphere. But as it sits right now, it's still a super viable tool, especially around creating content like blogs, creating content like tweets, social media content, things like that. Stuff that doesn't necessarily have to be the trending thing right now. I think is really good. You can even use this to write like product reviews for products that have been around a while that have been that are still being purchased and being used, because sometimes really great products, they don't need to be replaced. So and people are still trying to buy that. For instance, I'm a bowler. I bought a phase 2 bowling ball. That bowling ball is like 5 years old. You can write a really good review off of a 5-year-old bowling ball because all the information is there. Um, Same thing with certain like monitors or certain CPUs or GPUs. If you're in the gaming, streaming, and technology space, about games, right? PUBG, Call of Duty, creating a blog that compares the different Call of Duties, or that ranks the different Call of Duty games. Like I don't know. Let's have some fun. Let's ask it a question. Which was your favorite Call of Duty game? Let's just see what it comes up with. Okay, smartass. All right. So, as you can see, the tool can be really good. Let's see. What? Give me a list of all of the Call of Duty games from oldest to newest, excluding mobile. See what it does. Like, come on. Come on. Like doing research papers. Oh, my goodness. Now, obviously, it's missing Vanguard and it's missing Modern Warfare 2 and Warzone 2. So, as you can see, it's not 100% up to date, but it'll do. It'll do. I mean, you have to come in with some of that prior knowledge as well. So, guys, if you found this video interesting, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps us out. Be sure to listen to the podcast. You can visit podcast.agamingmoment.com and subscribe to it. It's free, helps us out a lot. We enjoy creating the content. We hope you enjoy listening to the content. This video is what we call a gist video, a gaming information, streaming, and technology video. So that's what GIST stands for. So I hope you got the gist. Really appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. You can visit our Discord, discord.agamingmoment.com. That information is going to be down below in the description as well. And we hope to see you either in our podcast, because we do stream our podcast live, or we hope to see you on the Discord. So, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Y'all take care.